We're gonna go look at apartments and stuff.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
I can see you through the mirror.
What?
I can see you through the mirror. Look at the mirror. Oh, hi.
So yeah, the bird's at home.
Oh. Oh. Trouble, trouble, trouble.
He's driving.
Oh. Oh. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Okay, what else to say? Say something.
Robin Williams is dead. Wait, no, it's not funny that he's dead. It's just your reaction, the face you just gave. Was I supposed to say something cool? I mean, just rest in peace for Robin Williams. It's a sad point in time, actually. Just got back from the gym. That's where I heard the news and stuff. So yeah. So you're eating yogurt and ice cream, huh?
No, just yogurt.
Yeah?
Yo plate Greek pineapple yogurt. If we go into detail, I'll tell you how many calories. Why doesn't it focus? Focus. There you go. 140. Dude, we didn't vlog at all today. I totally forgot, so this is pretty much it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
This and like I think a few things from yesterday. So yeah, actually the bird, he's doing okay. I mean, he chirps every now and then, and he's a happy bird. He's been doing good, you know. Keeping our promise about 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. How's Texas? You know, we plan on going to Texas sometime this year. I was working on my scrapbooking yesterday, like I told you, and I decided to make a page for Texas because I figured it's gonna happen, you know? I knew to myself it was gonna happen, and so I thought, why not? Why not just make a freaking page for Texas, you know? Hi, Mickey! Hi! What else is going on in my life? I miss you guys. What did we do today? Woke up pretty early this morning, you know, worked on some stuff, some errands, I guess you would say. Had some food. Worked on more errands. Had some more food. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we've had a really productive day. It's Monday.
He has the Monday blues.
The Monday blues. School starts soon. And I mean, that's pretty much what's happening in life. I mean, I guess you can say we didn't have a productive day today because it was all errands and I didn't want to film us running errands. But it's a Monday, you know, typical. Oh, I went on a walk today. You get to the point in life when you run so much errands that you completely forget everything you did. That's where I'm at right now. But that's okay. So it is right now 8:20. And I have to finish some coursework. I want to charge my GoPro because I want to stop doing vlogs on my phone because they don't come out as great as they would on a GoPro. So, you guys didn't send us pictures today. What's going on over there in Texland? Are you guys having raspas? Ellie, should we show the bird in this vlog? Oops.
In a little bit. I think in a little bit we should.
Yeah. I don't want to make this too long. Like yesterday's was 9 minutes, and you know I want to keep this one.
A bit much, yeah.
I want to keep this one to like 9. I mean to like 3 minutes or so. Don't want to bore the Mexicans or whatnot.
Yeah, no. Needless to bore them. Are you guys bored with us? I'll take that as a no.
No. Alright, so on to the bird. Let me go film the bird and then I'll upload this vlog. Okay. Oh.
Hey Josie. How are you? Doing good? Awesome. Alright, peace keys.